Ever heard of a seed phrase? It's a big deal in the crypto world. Think of it as the ultimate password for your digital wallet. A seed phrase is typically a series of 12 to 24 words that unlocks access to your cryptocurrency. If someone gets their hands on it, they can wipe out your entire wallet in seconds. So, why is it so important to protect this phrase? First off, it's your key to the kingdom. Without it, there's no way to recover your funds if you lose access to your wallet. Forget your password? No problem, as long as you have your seed phrase. But if that phrase is compromised, say goodbye to your crypto. Now, let's talk about how to keep it safe. Writing it down on paper might seem old school, but it's one of the best ways to ensure it's not floating around online. Just make sure to store it somewhere secure, like a safe or a locked drawer. Avoid saving it on your computer or phone, as these can be hacked. Another tip? Consider using a hardware wallet. These devices store your seed phrase offline, making it nearly impossible for hackers to access. Plus, they often come with extra security features, giving you peace of mind. Also, never share your seed phrase with anyone. Not even friends or family. Scammers often impersonate support teams, asking for your seed phrase under the guise of helping you. Remember, legitimate companies will never ask for this information. If you're feeling extra cautious, think about using a passphrase in addition to your seed phrase. This adds another layer of security. Just remember to keep it memorable but not obvious. In summary, a seed phrase is your lifeline in the crypto universe. Protecting it is crucial for keeping your assets safe. Take the time to store it securely, avoid sharing it, and consider hardware wallets for added protection. In the end, staying informed and vigilant can save a lot of headaches down the road. So, treat your seed phrase like the treasure it is. Keep it safe, and enjoy the world of cryptocurrency without the fear of losing everything in an instant. Stay smart, stay secure. Thanks for watching the Crypto Academy 101. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video.